So over the last couple of days, we've been looking at finding patterns in numbers. So today we're going to do those with some word problems. Here's the first problem we're going to look at. Sarah ran a 10-kilometer race. She ran the first kilometer in 4 minutes. Then she slowed down, and each kilometer after that took her 1 minute longer to run than before. So how long did it take her to run each race, or to run the race? Sorry. So we have a total of 10 kilometers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 kilometers. So the first kilometer she ran in 4 minutes. Then it was 5 minutes. So she slowed down after that. So everyone after that initial took an additional minute. So kilometer 3 then would take her 6 minutes. Kilometer 4 would take her 7 minutes. Then 8 minutes, then 9 minutes, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So how long did it take her to run the race? So we need to actually add all of our minutes together. So I'd have 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13. And if you add all those together, it took her a total of 85 minutes. Okay, here's the next problem. It says Ethan lives in the 12th house on Super Street. The first house is numbered 1, the second house is numbered 5, the third and the fourth are numbered 9 and 13, respectively. This pattern continues. So what is Ethan's house number? So this is one where we could use a table to help us. So we know house number 1 is numbered 1. House number 2 is 5. 3 is 9. 4 is 13. So I can see a pattern here that it's increasing by 4 for every house number. Now you're welcome to go ahead and keep doing this until you get to number 12 and so on, right? Okay, but I'm going to use what we did yesterday where I can see the change every step is 4. So my slope is 4. I can work backwards and ask myself what number plus 4 gives me 1? That would be -3. So my b value is -3. So my equation is y equals 4x minus 3. My x, the house number that I'm interested in, is 12. So y equals 4 times 12. Subtract 3. So that's 48 minus 3, which is 45. So his house number is 45. Okay, last one. Jenna is walking her friend's dog for 5 days. She can choose between these 2 ways to get paid. Option number 1 is $10 each day, or option number 2 is $1 for the first day. On each day after that, double the amount from the day before. So which option will pay Jenna the most? All right, so day 1, or option 1 here. We know she's doing this for 5 days. So $10 per day, so that's 5 days times $10 per day, gives us a total of $50. Which that one's not a big deal. So let's look at option 2. She gets $1 the first day. So keep in mind we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days that she's working, right? So first day she gets $1. Second day we're going to double that. She gets 2. The third day we're going to double the day before. So 2 doubled gives us 4. The next day we're going to double what we earned before. So it was 4. So now it's going to be 8. And then we're going to double again for day 5. So that would be 16. Okay, now I'm not making $16. I need to add all this together. So I have 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 16. So this would be a total of 31. So option 1 would definitely be better. Even though we're doubling for option 2, option 1 would be our best bet.